Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in two different colors. The yarn is in size 4 medium and the crochet hook is in size 5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now for this stitch we need to chain multiples of 6 plus 1. So I'll start by chaining 25. So now that we've made the foundation chain for row 1, I'll skip the next 4 chains, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and through this 5th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So I'll continue making 1 double crochet through each chain throughout row 1. Now to finish row 1, I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2, I'll use yarn in different color. Then I'll turn my work around. Now right here through this first double crochet chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Then I'll chain 5. Now I'll skip the next 2 double crochet chains and through this third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 2. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 2. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 2. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 2. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2. I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this third chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 2. And through this last double crochet chain, right through the chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3, I'll turn my work around. I will chain 1, then right there through that first double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 3, then right here through this 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. So 1, 2, and 3. I'll chain 3. Through the third chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3. Through the third chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Chain 3. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through its next 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3. Through the third chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Chain 3. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Now right here through this last loop I'll make 3 double crochet cluster. I'll chain 3, and through the third chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3, then right there through that same loop I'll make 1 single crochet, then through that same loop I'll make 1 slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. This completes row 3. This is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.